All right. Hello to the good people over the internet. Today we have with us the very lovely Anandi and Heidi, the duo, the songwriter, the dream
Hello,
team.
everyone.
Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule all day, all week. Thank you so much joining in.
No, not at all.
So, for the people who don't know, we live in Kolkata. Right now, you guys in Kolkata or in Bombay?
Yeah, Kolkata.
কলকাতা তো বৃষ্টি পড়ছে খুবই ভালো প্লাস বাজে ওয়েদার
Actually, we are a bit outskirts of Kolkata. We live like অনেক বেশ খানিকটা দূরে, and it's pretty very peaceful right here. So we do not like going into the hustle of the city so much.
না না একদম
We just work and we come back here for the peace.
না একদম that's where songs are written, good songs are written.
Yeah, exactly.
So normally people who are fans of yours, your music, people who have been following you, and now I am as well. You've born into a musical family, you have a background. So apart from that, how did you decide, both of you decide from an early child, or like were you a student of music? You were already playing instruments when you were 3 or 4, or you were as bad
Yeah,
as me?
actually so. From a very young age. You go first. Okay. So
Stop fighting, guys.
I'm the older one. So I'm the older one. Naturally, বাড়িতে গান বাজনা হয়, and like Baba always wanted যে আমি singer হই, and গান গাই আর কি সবার থেকে বড় কথা। Singer হওয়াটা অনেক দূরে, but singing is the main thing, and I always wanted to sing. I loved singing. 3 বছর বয়স থেকে I started singing, taking my classical lessons.
3
Hindustani
years.
classical. I'm still like being so very young age, and এটা বই থাকে মানে আমি যখন বড় হয়েছি সব সময় একটা ঘরে ঠাকুমা গান গাইছে, একটা ঘরে মা গান গাইছে, একটা ঘরে বাবা গান গাইছে, তো এটা মানে সব সময় ওটা আমার জন্য মানে ভাত ডাল খেয়ে ঘুমিয়ে পড়া সেরকম একটা পার্ট হয়ে গেছে। So obviously I took up singing, but then when she was born, so it was different for me. মানে ও যেরকম বললো যে একটা ঘরে ঠাম্মা গান গাইছে, একটা ঘরে বাবা গান গাইছে, একটা ঘরে মা গান গাইছে, and I also saw her singing একটা ঘরে, but I took up the second turn, that is the guitar. তো আমি শুরু করি গিটার দিয়ে. I did not have much knack for singing. Though like I did not sing at all. Yeah, so I was like, no, I won't sing and all stuff. So I still have a notion that only girls might sing, and I wanted to break that notion. I want to play the guitar. And back then, during 2006, people were like, me guitar bajabi and all. You know the notion, right? So I was like, no, I have to do something big. So I wanted to do that. And then I started taking jazz lessons, and then blues, and
Directly
slowly I
jazz.
was taking a front. First I was learning the basics, and then to jazz.
Wow.
So after that, like the duo was formed very late. It was before the lockdown. And then I started composing at during my 7th standard, and then আমরা নিজেদের গান লিখি, নিজেদের সুর, নিজেদের কথা. But I figured that out very later. We just kept on doing these things every day, and suddenly one fine day we thought, why can't we form a duo? Let's do this thing like that.
Correct.
I am implementing some of my Hindustani classical stuff. She's putting into her Western lessons, and then we are blending it, making something of our own, making a fusion original of our own, and then writing our own songs, and then something we were, rest is here.
Wow.
So like this was not like intended or planned that way. And Baba also never forced us of making like, you have to do your music and you have to make a career with me. Yeah, like nobody forced me to like, you have to sing Indian classical or you have to do the riyaz the whole day. But if you are liking a project or a subject or something of the genre, then you have to do it seriously. Like, that one thing was always there, and it's still there at home, that if you're doing something, like that can be anything, that can be painting, that can be singing, drawing, anything, dancing, but you have to do it every day. It should be in your blood. So like I started singing now, like after the lockdown. So I take riyaz, and I want to like riyaz regularly with my sister. So it's a regular thing for us. Yes, like I started singing very late. Yeah, so very late. Yeah. So I'm not going to have to do the riyaz. So that's what we start with today, and then the rest of the things.
How often do you guys fight? I mean, I can get a hint.
Okay, we do, of course. We That's a very, very boring question actually. Every city every city.
I have an elder sister. We are the same.
Okay, so
We kind of
yeah,
fight.
I understand. I
Oh, now we have stopped. Now we have stopped. এখন যদি জন মারপিট করি, nobody will be alive. So it's better not to.
হ্যাঁ সেটাই মানে now we start fighting now we have to keep the wrong way and keep that now suddenly we can break it apart.
তাও দুজনকেই বাড়ি থেকে বার করে দেবো। So
হ্যাঁ না of course সেটা তো
course
if we break the duo then it's a loss.
Bengali thing.
হ্যাঁ মানে সেটা করলে obviously it's a loss.
So in the midst of lockdown, did you like both of you sat down and just started with writing originals or just started doing covers?
No, actually not like that. So basically we were trying with a lot of lyricists and sitting with our compositions before, like back then we were not writing our own song. And also we used to Bangla gan. Bangla actually ekdom moulik Bangla gan jake bole. Yeah, so because Baba is from Kolkata industry, from the Kolkata industry, he has worked for Bombay, obviously. But he is mostly in the Kolkata industry, like Bangla industry. হ্যাঁ তো এবার সেইটা থেকে obviously everyone expected যে আমরা বাংলাতেই কাজ করি, but our dream was always doing it nationally. আমরা ছোট থেকে বিভিন্ন রকম গান nationally বলতে it's not only for Mumbai, it's also for South. Like we worked in Kannada movies,
Right.
like for background scores. Yeah, শুধু যে গান গাইবো বা গিটার বাজাবো বা প্লেব্যাক করবো, that's not the move.
Expanding the horizons.
We want to implement, I want to implement our consequences in different spheres. সেটা অ্যাড জিঙ্গলসে হতে পারে, সেটা ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড স্কোরস হতে পারে, it can be anything. সেটা প্রোডাকশনে হতে পারে.
Right.
So yeah.
Wow.
হ্যাঁ তো এবার বাবা আমাদেরকে বিভিন্ন রকম গান শুনিয়েছে ছোট থেকে, নট যে শুধুমাত্র ক্লাসিক্যাল শিখছি ও ওয়েস্টার্ন শিখছে বলে শুধু সেটাই শুনতে হবে, নট দ্যাট অ্যাট অল। বিভিন্ন রকম গান, সাউথ ইন্ডিয়ান মিউজিক, হ্যাঁ মানে সাউথ ইন্ডিয়ান বিভিন্ন রকমের মিউজিক হয়, বিভিন্ন রকম ফোক মিউজিক, ওয়েস্টার্ন অবভিয়াসলি, ক্লাসিক্যাল ওয়েস্টার্ন, মডার্ন ওয়েস্টার্ন, পপ, এভরিথিং। তো সেইটা শুনে শুনে উই ওয়ার ভেরি কিন যে না আমরা কিভাবে একটা গান তৈরি হচ্ছে সেইটার দিকে প্রচন্ড এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে। ফ্রম গুলাম আলী জি টু এলভিস প্রেসলি। হ্যাঁ মানে যেরকম
that's a good diet. That's a good diet.
এক্স্যাক্টলি। সো দ্যাট ইজ দ্য থিং। তো আমাদের কখনোই মনে হয়নি যে না একটা শুধু স্পিয়ার বা এই জনরাটাই শুধু করবো বা এটাই আমার রোজ ভালো লাগে, আমি বছর এটাই করে যাও। ইভেন ইফ ইউ সি আওয়ার ইনস্টাগ্রাম ভিডিওস, ওখানে দেখবে ওয়ান ডে পারা পারা হুয়া, and again there is this Renta Hu. So Renta Tu, Rena Tu, correct. And then মানে একটা very,
and there are some
bright
collaborations
genres.
with other guitar players I saw. That's also really cool.
Yeah. Anurup, yeah. Really since so wins and actually that was very experimental. When for that, like, the Bandish was a classical one.
Right.
It's called Kahe Nanadini Gari. So that's a Kafi, Rag Kafi is Bandish. I had learnt it when I was very young from my grandpa, from my dad. And Dive In is my composition. I have wrote that song quite ago. So otaর সাথে fused to some, like it was a fusion. Random producers, very random producing together, and then suddenly তো ওটা হয়ে যেতে পারে। So we have fitted. But I was just singing the song and she was like, okay, this is fitting quite well with it. So let's do something. And we sat with the production, we did it, and we just sent it to Anurup, and he just put his inputs and like people are loving it now.
Right.
So actually, I think if people are like going ahead for producing, they have to listen to lots of music.
Correct.
And not only one genre at all.
Train their
You
ear
have
to
to listen, have a
different
very
styles of
wide
mixing
spectrum
and
of
masters and all that.
We are not very much into mixing and mastering, not the engineering part. We are more into the production
part.
The designing, designing part. Yeah.
Correct.
So if you're doing the arrangements, the productions, you have to have a very wide spectrum of listening. Otherwise, you'll just be very streamlined to one part. না তো tonal selections খুব difficult হয়ে যায় আর কি। Even we do mistakes now, even মানে এখন করবো, আরো করবো, ফিউচারেও করবো big mistakes, যে এই টোন মানে এখন এটা হয়। আজকে যে প্রোডাকশনটা করলাম 2-3 দিন বাদে গিয়ে এত খারাপ লাগে, মানে এটা what was I thinking before producing this? মানে এখন আমার যত রিলিজড গান আছে তার মধ্যে I don't like my first original, like that's called
ওই আর্টিস্ট লুপ একটা বেসিক্যালি।
যে we have that notion after releasing a song, ওটা আপলোড হয়ে গেল, সব হয়ে গেল, and then we stop listening to it. Absolutely. Like you said about that Anurup featuring video না, I remember, ও আচ্ছা ওটা তো ছিল, আমরা শুনি না, মানে এমন হলে অন্তত সময় হবে
আমি ভাবতাম এটা আমি একা করছি হয়তো।
এটা
I released a song
না
and
না
I was
না
like, first 2 days is fine, third day is like, নিজের গান কি শোনা উচিত? This kind of
and the worst part is when people are loving it and telling you and you are
হ্যাঁ,
like,
ওর একটা
"Oh,
contradiction তৈরি
I
হয়ে যায়। আচ্ছা,
don't
they are saying they like it,
like
but I feel like not listening. What the hell?
ওই যেটা বলছিলাম রেনা তু ওইটা আমি শুনে যাচ্ছি এটা কি ভালো আছে যে লোকেরা এত ভিউজ দিচ্ছে এটাকে সো our first viral video was of one that Tamil song that cover after like now we don't like listening to it at all. I see why 1 million why
We will
তো এটা হয়েই থাকে,
will
music
cut out this
industry.
part. 1 million views wala will cut out. Why 1 million views?
Okay.
Um, normally when you sit to write a song, you have released a lot of singles and all that. So both of you kind of like one does the guitar job or one does the lyric part, or both of you have both of your inputs coming in onto a plate.
Mostly the melody part she does it, but we both sit while I compose the song. We have composing sessions together. So, and it's just a composing session, and we don't do any kind of gossip during that. Yeah, it's also like a composing session for 2 hours. So we sit and then এইটা এরকম হলে ভালো হতো, ওই লাইনটা চেঞ্জ করলে ভালো হতো। তো yeah, it's like that. Yeah, so back to the thing that I was saying. আগে আমরা অনেক লিরিসিস্টদের থেকে লেখা নিতাম, তখন লেখা শুরু করি মানে I generally do the writing part, so I did not write back then. But I always loved writing. তো তখন লিখতাম না, কখনো ভাবিও নি লেখার কথা। ইভেন আমাদের যে ফার্স্ট রিলিজ যে গানটা সেটাও বাবার সাথে, এবার সেই লেখাগুলো মানে ভীষণ ভালো লেখা, বাট আফটার ওয়াইল আমরা ভাবলাম যে না, কিছু ইন্ডি স্কেপস এর যে ধরনের গান হয় সেই গানগুলোতে বাংলা কথাগুলো ফার্স্ট অফ অল ফিট করে না, কারণ বাংলা ওয়ার্ডস গুলো যে একটা মাধুর্য আছে না, সেটা সামহাউ ইন্ডি স্কেপটাতে দেখবে ফিট ইন করে।
Right.
সো দ্যাটস ওয়েন আই থট যে হিন্দি লেখাটার দরকার। এবার হিন্দি কাকে খুঁজবো এটা করতে করতে ভাবলাম লেটস গিভ ইট আ ট্রাই, লেটস রাইট। এটা জাস্ট মানে কাউকে পাচ্ছি না, শুরু করে দিই, এটা করতে করতেই began like that. So now we just love it how our own lyrics fits the scan very well.
Became multilingual in that sense.
হ্যাঁ, absolutely.
Wow. So how challenging was it shifting to different languages? So I hope you have to learn, for example, Kannada or Tamil in that sense when you were doing
No,
album movies.
তাপনেরা তো আমি লিখি না আমরা,
আচ্ছা
ওটা লিখি না, we just do cover songs. এখনো ওই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ গুলো বোঝার আমাদের মানে ইয়ে হয়ে ওঠেনি, but we like learning those songs obviously. But সাউথ ইন্ডিয়ান ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজের মধ্যে যদি একটাই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ থাকতো অবভিয়াসলি আমরা শিখতাম, কিন্তু যেহেতু বিভিন্ন রকম ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ আছে আর আমরা বিভিন্ন রকম ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ গুলোকে এক্সপ্লোরও করি, মানে কেরালার যে ধরনের মিউজিক, তামিল মিউজিক একটু ডিফারেন্ট হয়, সবগুলো আলাদা আলাদা করে শুনি, বাট ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ গুলো একটু ডিফিকাল্ট অবভিয়াসলি। সো সেই কারণে ওটা আমরা শিখে উঠতে পারিনি, বাট হিন্দি অ্যান্ড বাংলা we both write and compose, we do that.
How long normally, this is a very kind of a stupid question, but for the average, for the variable part of it, how long does a song takes to be written and composed and ready for recording? Both of you.
Actually, that is very random. No, so depends on the person. It's like I actually compose the melody part. So I'll come to the melody first. So it's like একটা গান আছে যেটা হয়তো you take just 1 hour to compose, you know, just suddenly you start the song which comes to your mind, let it go. I'll Dil Ki Kahani, there's our the latest original Dil Ki Kahani I wrote like composed on a train and I recorded it while I was coming I was coming back from school. So it suddenly felt the weather is very nice, and then suddenly felt like
Dil Ki Kahani likh dete
matters very much. That vibe matters very much. And again, I took time for our latest version that will be released, Aaj Bhi, and I took time for that song because I wanted it to be more indie than Dil Ki Kahani and more like a trap song, and also for Tum Na Hogi I took a bit of time for that. So actually it depends on the vibe that but composer depend. মানে ধরো আমাদের এই ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে there are not much female composers, ঠিক আছে? তো আমি চাই না ওনাদের কি হয়, আমার জন্য যেটা মনে হয় that people who are composing they have set a notion যে না আমরা একটা কম্পোজ করবো মানে আমি একটা আগে ভাববো বা টিম নিয়ে বসবো, there will be a lot of people who will give me the ideas, এইসব কিছু that we have heard and seen people like that.
চার পাঁচটা পেপার পড়ে থাকবে, টেবিলে কফি থাকবে, very stressful life.
মানে they are having sessions with bunch of people over there. I will say আমি আমার বাবাকে যেটা দেখেছি, মানে আমার বাবা বা বাবার ফ্রেন্ডসরা, those who are in the music field, তারা কিন্তু ওরা ভেবে ভেবে আজকে আমি কম্পোজ করবো, চার পাঁচটা লোককে ডেকে একটু চা নিয়ে বসি, you have to sit when actually composition is a pie, it's like in the compositions. So suddenly এই গানটা হয়ে যেতে পারে, আমি to get মানে হঠাৎ করে হয় even when we are traveling, ওর হয়তো হঠাৎ করে মাথায় একটা কম্পোজিশন সঙ্গে সঙ্গে তো ফোন শুড বি মানে সামনেই একদম চট করে রেকর্ড আমার একটা টেন্ডেন্সি থাকে, মানে আমি একবার যে লাইনটা গিয়ে নিলাম I can't repeat that, মানে আমি না ভুলে যাই instantly, so I have to record it at the moment. মানে those composers they might face the same issue, মাথায় শুটটা এলে না ওটা তখন আর একবার চলে গেলে ওই ভাইবটা
না একদম এক্স্যাক্টলি
সেরকম একটা ব্যাপার।
So that's like the starting of the thread. Somehow you got to capture it.
Correct. Also one more thing, I think that a composer should have a vibe around, মানে randomly একটা হয়ে যাচ্ছে একটা কম্পোজার গিটার নিয়ে বসে পড়ে আর ওই কাছে you should have a deadline দিতে হবে, you should have an atmosphere around.
Correct.
ধর একটু বৃষ্টি পড়ছে, I think that's the whole reason that we love staying here. Outskirts is the best. So the important thing is you have a like বাইরে বৃষ্টি পড়ছে, you sit with a cup of tea, হয়তো তুমি একটা অন্য কাজই করতে যাচ্ছ, রাইট? মানে ধরো you are just going to the bank, সামনে গিয়ে ব্যাংকে যাবে, suddenly you get the vibe বৃষ্টিটা পড়ছে একবার গিটারটা নিয়ে বসি, and then suddenly you get the song.
ভেতর
এভাবেই হয় না বাড়ি এসে সিচুয়েশনসে মাথায় চলে আসে। আর লেখার ব্যাপারটা ইজ আ বিট ডিফারেন্ট। লেখাটা যখন ওই স্ক্যানস গুলো ফিট করা ওয়ার্ডস গুলো যখন মাথাতে আসছে, কখনো এরকম হয়েছে আমি মানে সাইডটা একটা লিখে, সাইড মিনস দ্য ফার্স্ট ভার্স ইন ইন্ডিয়ান ক্লাসিক্যাল আর কি আমি বলছি, ফার্স্ট ভার্সটা হয়তো আমরা এখন আজকে আমি লিখলাম, তারপরে ভাবলাম না আজকে ঠিক ব্যাপারটা জমছে না, অন্তরাটা ঠিক ফিটিংই করছে না, মনেই হচ্ছে না যে এই গানটার অন্তরা। দেন সাম আদার ডে মেবি আফটার উইকস আই কন্টিনিউ,
রাইট?
সো সেরকম ভাবে,
রাইট। You've played in multiple venues, performed in India. What's your thoughts on these venues in India? Because this is quite a thing, because local acts to international acts to national acts, whoever they are coming, the most delivered complaint all across is यहाँ का venue अच्छा नहीं है, the acoustics are not right, the treble is high, the bass is bumping, mids कहाँ खो गया पता नहीं, all that crap.
Actually I would say, yeah, actually it's not about the venue, it's about the people around, right? You should have good listeners around, and catching the listeners is the most important thing. And the sound issue, that is about the sound guy, obviously sound person, that depends on that person. So yeah, it doesn't matter much, but I would say the only thing that matters is not the venue, but the people who are listening should have a good listening habit. And why are you coming here? You should, I think people should have a motive. Yeah. You should. We have went to a show. I won't take the name whose show it was. It was a blast show. But people were not listening to the music.
They come to drink.
And he's a name in the pop. Yeah. I understand everything. And he's a name in the pop industry. And South industry. Last show just ended. People were like summering up, and some people were just puking over there. Yeah. And I was like, bro, just go and meet the musicians if you have a chance.
এই সেমটা হয়েছিল when Poets of the Fall came in Nico Park long back. তখন NH7 এ গেছিলাম, so বেশ ভালোই মোটামুটি ক্রাউড ছিল, বাট people of course go there to drink and Instagram stories. So
correct. So I think people should have a clear motive.
So basically যখন
motive is very important.
Poets of the Fall যখন একদম মানে their most famous song was playing, suddenly all the drunkards are forward. So একটা গানের জন্য they came, to be very honest.
Correct.
And I was
correct.
I'm like watching.
Correct. So they are just into the high vibe.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly. So when the energy is at its zenith, they are in front, and after that they are just at the back.
They're again dead.
Do not have a clear motive of why they are coming to listen.
Correct.
It's that they come to see. They come to great. It's not to listen. And now obviously it has become a like social statement that hey so দেখলাম এত টাকা দিয়ে
You know,
Instagram stories
this
দিলাম।
weekend I'm going to a concert here.
correct
And then they
Correct,
go there
absolutely.
and drink and then eat and then when they come
and the
home and you
whole
ask
time they
them
watch the show
কোন songটা ভালো
through their
লাগলো, they're
phones.
like actually I was kind of busy meeting. Shut up.
No, exactly, correct. It's just a statement, style statement. Correct. আমি এত কনসার্টে গেছি, absolutely. And then busy watching their show like through the phones whole time.
This is so
হ্যাঁ,
irritating.
মানে পুরোটাই যদি if you are watching it through your phone then why did you go bro? পুরোটাই এটা দিয়ে।
যেমন UK তে কতগুলো মেটাল ফেস্টিভ্যাল হয়, ওখানে phones have been banned from this year January থেকে, no phones allowed. তো phones আইদা তুমি নিয়ে আসলে
Best.
বাড়িতে রেখে
জানি
আসো,
না এখানে কবে হবে,
হবে
এখানে
না।
কবে হবে জানি না, লোক যাবে না।
ওখানে
The
মানে
back-
either you submit the phone which তোমার পাওয়ার চান্সেস more or less nil, অত billions of ফোনের মধ্যে how will you get it,
Correct.
or either leave it at your home or you are never getting it back and then enter the
That is
show. No phones allowed.
Best.
দেখতে পেলে শেষ।
Super.
But India
এইটা খুব ভালো, এটা কখনো
I-
জানি না।
only classical musicians when they perform I have seen very at least I mean no people are
Absolutely. মানে
switching this up.
কারেক্ট,
Never.
মানে ওইটা না আসে না ভিতরে। ইন্ডিয়ান ক্লাসিক্যাল শোজ যখন আমরা দেখি, আমরা প্রচুর শোজ দেখি, কিন্তু মানে ওই আর কি যেখানে এই ধরনের অ্যাম্বিয়েন্স হয় সেই ধরনের জায়গায় যাই না খুব একটা, বাট where there is motive listening সেখানে যাই।
Correct.
তো ক্লাসিক্যাল শোজও দেখি আমরা, অবভিয়াসলি হল ভীষণ ফাঁকা থাকে, এটা খুব দুঃখজনক।
Yes, I agree.
ক্লাসিক্যাল ফর্মস
I
করে
agree.
এখন সবচেয়ে হল ফাঁকা থাকে, and people are never putting up their phones, মানে ওই সাহসটাই হবে না।
In fact
যে কেউ
I
একজন,
went to
because,
see
you know,
Zakir
because-
Hussain and Shankar Ehsaan Loy and all the master people. Total maybe if there are 100 seats, Zakir Hussain at a concert there are 75 people, 70 people. আর
Exactly,
ওরা
so
হাফে ছেড়ে চলে যায়।
basically- হ্যাঁ, একদমই তাই। And also people are like, actually classical sectorটাতে কি হবে তো সবাই খুব রেসপেক্ট করে, মানে ফর্মটাকে না খুব এখন গডলি লেভেল করে মানুষজনকে। So that means that they respect the artist as well, because তারা মনে করে ওনারা ওই জায়গায় গেছেন because we deserve that position.
Sure.
আর এখানে like in the indie sector or any other sectors I would say have other than classical, no offense, but actually most of the people did not learn anything. We are speaking very uncut, so we are like this.
No
You can
problem.
cut it off if you want, but
No
Um,
cutting. I like
most
talking
of the people having several followers, dancing around, and it's nothing. There is no one knowledge, I would say. That's not music.
They are making a
If
reel
you
on their own song.
understand.
Shut up, man.
Absolutely. So it's very vague, I think. The idea of music is very vague for them.
And kind of slowly it's diminishing to, I don't know, some empty space or something. Because right now,
Yeah,
people
I
who can
don't know,
play
like
two
in a few
chords,
years.
people who are very
Yeah, man.
familiar in G and A are composing songs and then getting millions of views.
And there is only one riff that the whole song will go on with. And if it is viral, oh my সারা ইনস্টাগ্রামে মানে ওই একটা রিফ শুনে একদম শেষ
আর মানে
অবস্থা।
non-artists are covering that song and then becoming artists.
No, absolutely. But you can see one thing, আজকে আর পাঁচটা লোক কি করছে আমি জানি না এবং আমি জানতেও চাই না। The only thing is যখন আমরা কভার করি we keep a surprise element in that. Like we always try to put in something of either that's with the chord section, uniquely advanced chord design kara, or with some sargam, or with some fusion thing, or like changing the switching the harmonies also. So it depends. মানে যাতে একটা সিক্রেট একটা ডিফারেন্ট এলিমেন্ট অ্যাড করা যায় সব কিছুতে,
Right.
নয় জাস্ট গানটা তুলে গাইয়ে দিলাম, হ্যাঁ মুখস্থ করে গিয়ে দিলাম ফোনটা সামনে দেখি, নট দ্যাট।
Not that.
নিজে একটুখানি বসে নিজেরা আর একটু চর্চাও করা উচিত আর কি, যে ইফ ইউ আর ইভেন ডুইং কভার সং, we don't have any problem getting trash comments from people for experimenting with the song,
No, it's fine.
because I feel that experiment না করে মানুষ শিখতে পারে। হ্যাঁ, obviously there are people,
Especially artists.
হ্যাঁ ওইটা কত বলো না দ্যাটস ইট, কিন্তু হতে হবে না, বাট it's fine, but I got to learn anything while doing this, so I don't need your comments.
Right.
That's it.
This brings me to the second last question I would have. That is, how do you handle criticism in that sense? Or how have you, let me
Haunted with a
rephrase
smile.
it. How have you handled it through the years?
Actually, we don't just look at it. We don't look at it. And some, যেমন কিছু criticism, যেমন which are coming from our gurus, right? From our teachers,
Apart from
our
that,
parents, বা our grandparents. Of course, we are listening to it and upgrading ourselves. মানে ধরো আজকে আমাকে mention, আজকে যদি তুমিও if you say যে you can just try to lower down your harmonies. You have seen in some of our comments যে বলছে যে একটু harmony lower down করতে. You will see after those comments, after ওই 3-4 কমেন্ট পর তুমি আমি যে রিলটা পোস্ট করছি ওখানে কিন্তু harmonies গুলো কমই আছে.
so that's
Because I
constructive.
take the exact I take the criticisms in a positive way. And যেগুলো মানে just like it's only a smile, okay, no problem. Yes, exactly that.
The last question of the session, and I won't waste any more time. I know তোমরা রেগে যাবে.
No, not at all. It's really interesting.
Basically, from your years of experience of playing and then performing, collaborating with artists, singing in movies and whatnot, from both of you, if you give one practical advice, each one of you, that aspiring artists or artists, for a better word, can look into or apply based on their situation right now.
Like a pro tip.
Pro tip.
Don't know, we are like suitable for giving a pro tip or not. At least I'm not eligible for it. We both are not.
Come
We're
on.
still learning and we want to learn and just
Acha,
the only
learn
thing
tip.
I would say is learn tip.
Let's
Okay,
rephrase
so
it.
it's a thing for my part, like for composing and guitar and everything. I would say leave music and be a good human being. That's important. And if you're a good human being and good with me, everything will be balanced.
Correct.
In terms of everything, I hope you understand.
I understood.
In terms of everything. In terms of the industry works, in terms of the social media works, everything will be balanced. Correct. And I feel life should be very simple and very basic like dal bhat, not biryani every day. So I think that's the secret thing that makes her like excelling, reaching great heights in life. But we have always looked up to people who are very simple in their real life, as staying very humble, down to earth. That is what Ma Baba and Amma Dadu all have excelled in their life.
Correct.
কিন্তু their part of real life third generation musician. So পাটা কিন্তু মাটিতেই থাকা দরকার. After everything, you need to come back to that circle. যে তুমি কেন এখানে exist করো? Obvious, every day you have to just look at yourself and think that apart from my excellence, apart from my fame, apart from my fans and everything, who am I as a person? I think that's what matters. The rest is in God's hand. Yeah, exactly. Whatever you're doing every day.
Third point, please practice.
Correct. That's what I said. Keep the grind going. Keep the grind going.
Well, that's a very good note to end on for the people I'm saying. I'll leave all the links of their works in the description. Please do check them out. If you have want to collab anything, please hit them up. I hope they won't mind.
No,
Please hit them up, mail them,
We are always up for experience.
irritate them like I did, and please listen to their music. And you guys, please carry on your great work. It's such a pleasure talking
And
to
also one more thing. Would love to thank Music Stan. And thanks to you. Keep it has going great journey with you, and would love to come again in this live session.
you. Sure. I'm
keep
not,
this going
I'm
and
not
keep inspiring people.
I'm not sparing you guys on WhatsApp. Don't worry.
Keep this going. Keep people inspiring people. Keep that grind going always.
Thank you so much. Such a pleasure. Oh, lovely words. Please carry on
Thank-
your great work. Soon, milte hain ek bar. Then we'll see what to do in the future.
See.
Other
Okay.
people, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for joining in. Take care. Well, with that, we end this podcast session. Thank you so much for all who are still sticking out till the end. I hope you got to learn something. Once again, please don't get tired of your social media addiction. Instead, give us a like, share this video with someone you think it might help. And once again, thank you very much for watching. Cheers.